This program is rated RPG. It contains content with flashing images and loud noises, which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Random parental guidance is suggested.
Ang program na ito ay narrate na RPG, naglalaman ito ng nilalaman na may mga kumikislap na imahe, at malakas na ingay, na maaaring hindi angkop para sa mga nakababatang manonood.
The following program is rated APG. It contains content with language and violence, which may be considered unsuitable for younger viewers. Anime parental guidance is suggested.
Ang sumusunod na programa ay narrate na RPG. Naglalaman ito ng nilalaman na may lengguwahe, at karahasan na maaaring ituring na hindi na angkop para sa mga nakababatang manonood.